first things first, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer. I like to use this to prep my skin. Then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty primer. I've been using this primer recently and it's been really good. Then I'm going to go in with my Milani foundation. This is my Holy Grail foundation. It's the one that matches my skin the most accurately, and it provides a medium to full coverage. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer. I use this to lift my face as well as conceal any acne marks. I don't really have any, so I didn't really cover anything. Then I go in with my e.l.f. concealer. This one is in the shade, I'm not really sure, I'll put it on the screen. And I just put this in places where I want to create a bit of a shadow. Then I go in with my NARS Creamy Concealer and I just shape out my brows. Then I blend everything in with a beauty sponge. Then I'm going to go in with my Nicka K Perfection setting powder. This one is in the shade medium, and I just set everywhere where I put the lighter concealer. Then I'm going in with my NYX matte bronzer, and I'm just going to use it as an eyeshadow, kind of give my eyes some definition. Then I'm going in with my Vantisha, I can't pronounce it, but it's a duo eyeliner, and I'm just taking the creamy liner and lining my lash line. I love how close to the lash line this gets. Then I'm going to use the pen liner, liquid liner, and I'm just going to create the wing. To shape the wing perfectly, I'm just going to use the NARS concealer and a flat brush. Then I'm going to take some setting powder to set the concealer. Then I'm using my Benefit Gimme Brow in number 6, and I'm just going to set my brows. Then I'm going in with my Nicka K Duo Contour, and I'm just going to place the more muted neutral contour shade everywhere where I put the darker e.l.f. concealer. Then I'm going to go in with the darker of the Duo palette, and I'm going to take the lighter one in that palette to go underneath my jawline, to define my jawline. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Strobe Light strobing powder. I like to use a highlighting blush, and I just put that on the top of my cheeks. Then I like to go in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara. I got this a couple weeks ago and I have been using it like crazy. I love this mascara. Essence has really great mascaras, so if you want an affordable mascara, I totally recommend checking them out. Then I'm going to go in with my Revlon Matte Balm, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my lips just to kind of tint it. Then I'm going in with my e.l.f. setting spray, and I like to spray it onto the beauty sponge and use that to set my face. I find that it lasts longer. And that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!